Imagine stepping into a car that doesn't just respond to your commands, but actively engages with its environment. Modern vehicles are rapidly evolving beyond mere modes of transportation. Today's cutting-edge cars are equipped with sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, allowing them to perceive, process, and react to their surroundings in real time. These advancements are transforming the way we drive and interact with the world around us. From adaptive cruise control that automatically adjusts speed based on the flow of traffic, to lane-keeping systems that gently guide the car to stay within its lane, vehicles are becoming increasingly intuitive. Cameras, radar, and LiDAR work together to detect pedestrians, cyclists, and unexpected obstacles, triggering immediate responses to enhance safety for everyone on the road. Cars can even communicate with traffic signals and other vehicles, sharing information to optimize routes and prevent accidents before they happen. Environmental awareness isn't limited to safety. Modern vehicles can also monitor weather conditions, adjusting traction and stability control systems to handle slippery roads or sudden changes in visibility. Some models are capable of identifying and responding to road signs, automatically reducing speed in school zones or construction areas without driver intervention. Beyond the mechanics, these technologies contribute to a more sustainable future. Smart navigation systems analyze traffic patterns and suggest eco-friendly routes, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Electric vehicles can adjust charging schedules based on grid demand and the availability of renewable energy sources. As cars continue to become more connected and intelligent, the line between driver and machine blurs. The ultimate goal is a seamless partnership where vehicles anticipate needs, protect passengers, and harmonize with the environment, making journeys not just safer, but smarter and more sustainable for everyone.